Amazon shows impressions, but impressions don't tell you if you're winning attention. ScalePilot's performance analyzer does. Paste any ASIN, yours or a competitor's, and instantly analyze performance. Your primary metric is the click capture rate, measured as CP100, clicks per 100 searches. If your CP is 201, like it is here, your click gets 201 clicks for every 100 searches. As you can see, that's very high. That's almost 2.01 clicks per shopper session. Buyers are coming back to you and likely comparing. And yes, as you can see, CP100 can exceed 100. Shoppers can click multiple listings or revisit the same listing. ScalePilot compares your click capture rate against 3 metrics: niche average, other products competing for the same shopper intent; category average, the broader market; and niche benchmark, how many times better or worse you perform. We can even break down the entire competitive landscape, showing how many ASINs you're beating, whether you are an overperformer, average performer, or underperformer. And if you go to Portfolio View, it reveals where to focus budget, your winners, your losers, and your hidden opportunities. And yes, we tell you exactly what to do next. Fix your image stack, improve your title, or push ad spend aggressively. ScalePilot's Performance Analyzer. Stop guessing, start scaling.